Forget probiotics and pills. They won't fix the real damage. There's something far more powerful sitting quietly in your kitchen right now. 3 probiotic-rich foods that can help your stomach repair itself from the inside out while you sleep. I'm Dr. David R. Collins from Gut Health Seniors. And if you've been waking up bloated, dealing with acid reflux that keeps you up at night, or running to the bathroom before you've even finished breakfast, you're not imagining it. The older we get, the more our gut begins to starve. Starve for the good bacteria it can no longer produce like it used to. And by the time most seniors notice it, they're already dealing with chronic constipation, burning stomach pain after every meal, and digestive discomfort that seems to grow worse month after month. What's worse? Most people treat the symptom, not the root. They reach for antacids, fiber pills, or worse, do nothing at all. But here's the truth. Your gut doesn't just wear out. It gets drained. Drained by inflammation, by bad bacteria overgrowth, by years of stress and processed foods. According to a recent Johns Hopkins gastroenterology review, nearly 74% of adults over 60 suffer from some form of gut dysbiosis, an imbalance of bacteria that silently destroys digestive function overnight. And unless you feed your gut the right living cultures, especially lactobacillus, bifidobacterium, and fermented probiotics, it can't recover the way it used to. That's why today I'm sharing 3 probiotic foods clinically shown to rebuild your gut lining, rebalance your microbiome, and reduce inflammation, all while you rest. These aren't exotic. They're not expensive. In fact, you might already have them in your fridge, but you're probably not eating them the right way or at the right time. And the last one I'll reveal? It's a gentle powerhouse that not only feeds good bacteria, but also helps calm the stomach acid that keeps you up at night. If you've been struggling with bloating, acid reflux, or constipation for more than a year, drop a comment below and tell me your biggest gut challenge. Let's figure this out together. So stay with me. By the end of this video, you'll have a simple plan to help your stomach rebuild strength, balance, and comfort, all while you sleep. And what I'm about to share in the next few minutes could change the way you think about gut health forever. Let's start with something humble, creamy, and ancient. Kefir. To most people, kefir is just another dairy drink. But to your gut, it can be a nightly shield. What makes kefir special isn't just its tangy taste. It's what lives inside it. Over 30 strains of live probiotics, including lactobacillus and bifidobacterium, 2 bacterial families your stomach craves as you age. Your gut lining, especially the mucosal barrier, acts like a protective wall. It keeps toxins out, nutrients in, and inflammation under control. But over time, it gets bombarded by processed foods, by stress hormones, by antibiotics you took years ago that wiped out your good bacteria. What's the result? Leaky gut, chronic bloating, acid reflux that burns your throat at 2 a.m. Now here's the problem. Your body can't manufacture probiotics on its own. You must get them through food. And kefir? It's one of the richest, most bioavailable sources, especially when consumed at night before bed. Let me explain why this matters. Kefir contains living cultures that colonize your intestinal walls while you sleep. They act as natural defenders, crowding out harmful bacteria like E. coli and candida before they can damage your gut lining. But their role goes deeper. According to a study published in Frontiers in Microbiology in 2021, daily kefir consumption increased beneficial lactobacillus populations by 340% in adults over 55, and reduced inflammatory markers linked to IBS and GERD within just 4 weeks. Another review in the Journal of Gastroenterology in 2022 confirmed that fermented dairy probiotics improve gut motility, reduce bloating, and strengthen the intestinal barrier, all critical for seniors whose digestion has slowed down. To put it simply, kefir helps replenish the bacteria your gut loses with age, giving your stomach more defense, balance, and resilience, even while you rest. And it's not just theory. A retired teacher named Linda told me she used to wake up every morning with her stomach feeling like a balloon. Tight, uncomfortable, painful. But after adding 1 small glass of plain kefir to her evening routine for 5 weeks, she said, it's like someone turned off the bloating switch. Simple, but life-changing. If you're still watching, comment your age and tell me, do you wake up bloated most mornings? Here's how to make kefir work for you. Choose plain, unsweetened kefir, not the flavored kinds loaded with sugar. Pour about 4 to 6 ounces into a glass. Drink it 1 to 2 hours before bed, not right before lying down, so your body has time to digest. If dairy bothers you, try coconut kefir or water kefir. They have similar probiotic benefits. The key here isn't quantity, it's consistency. Your gut bacteria are slow to rebuild, but when fed correctly, they do. Kefir is your first ally. And in a moment, we'll talk about a probiotic food that offers even more concentrated gut healing power. especially against inflammation and acid reflux. If kefir is your gut's protective shield, then sauerkraut is its inflammation fighter. Few people realize just how powerful this tangy, fermented cabbage is for digestion, especially in older adults who suffer from acid reflux, gas, or that heavy feeling after every meal. What sets sauerkraut apart is its exceptionally high levels of Lactobacillus plantarum, but also a critical compound that kefir lacks in large amounts: digestive enzymes. And that's where the magic happens. While probiotics colonize your gut and crowd out bad bacteria, digestive enzymes break down food faster, reduce fermentation in your stomach, and stop the gas buildup that causes bloating and reflux. As we age, our stomach produces less hydrochloric acid and fewer natural enzymes. This leads to slow digestion, undigested food sitting in your gut for hours, and that burning sensation climbing up your throat at night. Sound familiar? Sauerkraut is essential for restoring enzyme activity in your gut, especially in the small intestine, where most nutrient absorption happens. Without enough enzymes, food rots instead of digests. This creates toxic byproducts, feeds harmful bacteria, and triggers chronic inflammation. In a 2020 study published in Nutrients, researchers from the University of Leipzig followed over 800 adults aged 50 to 75 and found that regular sauerkraut consumption was associated with a 41% reduction in acid reflux symptoms and improved gut transit time within 6 weeks. That's not all. Another study in clinical nutrition in 2019 found that fermented cabbage contains over 10 times the probiotic count of yogurt, and it's more shelf-stable, meaning the bacteria stay alive longer in your fridge. Think of sauerkraut as a multitasker. It acidifies your gut in a good way, it feeds beneficial bacteria, and it directly reduces the inflammation that causes GERD and IBS. Let me give you a real-life example. Robert, a 68-year-old retiree from Florida, used to pop antacids like candy 3, sometimes 4 times a day. His chest burned constantly. After adding just 2 forkfuls of raw sauerkraut to his dinner each night for a month, he said, "The burn disappeared. I don't even carry Tums anymore. My stomach just calmed down." If this is helping you, do me a favor and hit that like button. It helps more seniors like you find this information. Here's how to use it properly. Choose raw, unpasteurized sauerkraut from the refrigerated section, not the shelf-stable kind. Heat kills probiotics. Add 2 to 3 forkfuls to your dinner plate. Pair it with lean protein, like chicken or fish. For absorption, eat it at the start of your meal, not after. This allows the enzymes to mix with your food right away. And if you're worried about the sour taste, start small. Your taste buds will adjust. Your gut will thank you. Now, we've talked how kefir builds your bacterial shield, and sauerkraut fights inflammation and acid. But the final probiotic food I'll show you next has a gentler, more sustained effect, especially helpful for those who suffer from chronic constipation or early signs of leaky gut. It's soft, soothing, and often overlooked, but your stomach will love it. It's soft, it's easy to digest, and it's one of the most overlooked foods for aging guts. I'm talking about miso, the gentle powerhouse that works quietly, especially while you sleep. Unlike kefir or sauerkraut, miso doesn't boast extreme levels of one superstar bacteria. Instead, it offers a balanced combination that makes it ideal for older adults whose stomachs are already inflamed, constipated, or starting to show signs of chronic digestive damage. Let's break down what's inside. First, miso is rich in Aspergillus oryzae, a beneficial fungus that produces enzymes to break down proteins, fats, and complex carbohydrates your aging stomach can no longer handle alone. As we age, our pancreatic enzyme production drops. That's why foods that deliver digestive support in a gentle, absorbable form become even more important. These enzymes play a direct role in reducing gas, easing constipation, and calming the gut inflammation that keeps you uncomfortable all day long. Without enough of them, food sits undigested in your colon, ferments, creates pressure. That's why seniors often say, "I can eat fine in the morning, but by evening my stomach feels like a rock." A 2018 study published in the Journal of Clinical Biochemistry and Nutrition showed that people with higher dietary intake of fermented soy had significantly lower rates of chronic constipation and improved bowel regularity, particularly those over age 60. But miso goes beyond enzymes. It also delivers probiotics to support your microbiome, amino acids to repair gut lining damage, and isoflavones to reduce oxidative stress that inflames your intestinal walls. This trio works together slowly but steadily to ease bloating, support overnight gut repair, and give your stomach a much-needed restorative window during sleep. I often recommend miso to patients who are easily overwhelmed by stronger fermented foods or who have acid sensitivity that limits their intake. It's gentle, warm, and comforting, just like the healing it provides. Let me tell you about Margaret. She's 74, and for years she complained that her stomach cramped every night, especially in winter. Fiber supplements didn't help. Laxatives made it worse. But after adding one small bowl of miso soup to her dinner 3 times a week, the cramping subsided. She said, "It's like my gut doesn't fight me anymore. I don't dread eating. I actually wake up feeling lighter." If you've struggled with constipation for years and nothing seems to work, comment below. You're not alone, and there is hope. To get the full benefit, dissolve 1 tablespoon of organic miso paste in warm water, not boiling, because heat kills the probiotics. Add it to a simple broth with soft vegetables like spinach or mushrooms. Avoid overcooking. High heat destroys the enzymes. Try eating it 2 to 3 hours before bed, so your digestive system has time to absorb those nutrients and send them where they're needed. Your gut. In a moment, I'll show you how to combine these 3 probiotic foods into a single, effortless plan that fits into your week, without expensive supplements or doctor visits. But first, remember this. Not all gut healing comes from pills or prescriptions. Sometimes the quietest foods give the loudest results. Now that you know the power behind these 3 probiotic foods, the next question is simple. How do you use them in a way that truly supports your gut night after night? Here's what I tell my own patients. You don't need to turn your kitchen into a science lab. You don't need to weigh, measure, or track every strain of bacteria or count colony-forming units. What you do need is a rhythm, a quiet routine, something that works with your body's natural repair cycle during sleep. Start by choosing 2 nights a week where dinner includes kefir. Pour 4 to 6 ounces into a glass. Drink it slowly about an hour before bed. It can be plain, or you can add a tiny drizzle of raw honey if the tang is too much at first. Let those living cultures settle into your gut while you rest. On 2 other evenings, work in raw sauerkraut, ideally with your main meal. Add 2 or 3 forkfuls to your dinner plate. Pair it with grilled chicken, baked salmon, or a simple vegetable stir-fry. Its enzymes and probiotics absorb best when eaten at the start of your meal, so don't skip that step. And at least 3 nights per week, serve yourself a small bowl of warm miso soup with dinner. Let it be one of the final things you eat before the kitchen closes for the night. Its gentle probiotics and amino acids will help soothe your gut from within, giving your intestinal lining the rest it needs to rebuild. What matters isn't being perfect. It's being consistent. The gut is a patient organ. It doesn't respond to one miracle food. It responds to patterns. And when you give it a pattern of nourishment, balance, and rest, it begins to do what it was designed to do. Digest properly again. One of my viewers, Thomas, he's 66, shared that after sticking to this plan for just 3 weeks, he no longer woke up with acid in his throat. He said, "I didn't even realize how inflamed my stomach had been until it wasn't anymore." That's the beauty of natural healing. It doesn't hit like a hammer. It creeps in like dawn. If your schedule is hectic, don't overthink it. Buy kefir and sauerkraut once a week during your grocery run. Keep a jar of miso paste in your fridge. It lasts for months. Prep your miso soup ahead of time in a big batch. Swap out heavy, processed snacks for a spoonful of sauerkraut or a small glass of kefir. Feed your gut, not just your hunger. And drink a full glass of water before bed to help your body circulate those probiotics and enzymes through your system. It's a small touch, but it matters. Remember, you're not doing this for overnight miracles. You're doing it to build strength in the background. To wake up one morning and realize, without even thinking about it, that your bloating is gone, your stomach doesn't ache, and you didn't need antacids, laxatives, or emergency bathroom trips to get there. Tonight, you can begin. Not with a pill, not with surgery, but with food. Food that speaks the same healing language your gut has always understood. In just a moment, I'll share one final message, a reminder that it's not too late, and that no matter your age, your stomach still wants to heal. If you've made it to this point, I want to say something from the heart. Thank you, not just for watching, but for caring, for believing that your health, your gut, your future still matter. So many people your age have been told the opposite. That bloating is normal. That acid reflux is just getting old. That once your digestion starts to fail, there's no way to bring it back. But that's not true. The healing power inside your gut isn't gone. It's just waiting. Waiting for the right bacteria. Waiting for balance, nourishment, and consistency. Waiting for you to believe in the quiet power of your body again. And here's the most beautiful part. You didn't need a prescription. You didn't need to spend hundreds of dollars on supplements. You needed kefir. You needed sauerkraut. You needed miso. You needed food that speaks your gut's language. Because when you feed your stomach the right way, you're not just protecting your digestion. You're protecting your quality of life. The joy of eating dinner without fear. The peace of sleeping through the night without acid burning your throat. The freedom of going out with friends and not worrying where the nearest bathroom is. Those aren't luxuries. They're your right. And yes, it takes effort, but it's effort worth making. Because every step you take, every small change, is proof that you haven't given up on yourself. So let this be your reminder. It's not too late. Your gut still wants to heal. And with every good choice you make, it can. If this video brought you clarity, hope, or even just a small sense of control again, I'd be so grateful if you could like this video and share it with someone you love. Leave a comment below about your gut health journey. It may be exactly what another senior needs to hear today. And if this is your first time on the Gut Health Seniors channel, I'd be honored to have you with us. Please hit that subscribe button so you don't miss future videos on how to heal your digestion naturally. Until next time, this is Dr. David R. Collins. Take care of your gut, because it still has so much left to give. Your gut isn't broken. It's just starving for balance.